Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we apply colors to the layers. So to apply it, here in this layer group, just click on this arrow and here will be all the layers will be shown. Just unlock all the layers if you are logged it, and from here you can change the color. For example, I'm having this yellow windows, so I'll click on this color of the layout and from here I can change it. This time I'm selecting dark blue and click on OK, and it is applied. The same thing I can do here from using this layer properties. I can select any of this color if I need to change and OK, and then close it. So as you can see, all the colors of the layer has been changed. So this way you can change the color, but I will recommend you to use the vibrant color, the light colors as more as you can. So that's all for today guys. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.